Hi guys, it's Anne-Marie from the Perma Blend office, corporate office in Fort Mill, South Carolina. We are really excited to introduce Kristina Melnicenco's new eyeliner set. And Kristina has the 5-Star Academy in Dallas, and she does all these great liners. She does the eyeliner, the shadow, and the foxy liner, and the soft liner. And so because she's always perfecting her technique for eyeliner, she wanted to do a eyeliner set. And so she came up with these gorgeous colors, and I'm going to just kind of go through them quickly a bit. We have a beautiful purple wish, and we're going to get close-ups and I'm going to do the drawdowns. But so there's purple, there's a blue, almost like a blue-green turquoise color. There's a real mossy green. We put the shading solution in the set in case you want to lighten the pigment load a bit. And Kristina wanted to add the orange because a lot of people are using that color as a modifier. So if you have a really cool client and you want to make sure those blacks stay black and you just want to warm up a little bit. So what's great is we have 3 different browns. We have a really soft brown, a medium brown, and then a really darker brown. And the same with the blacks. We did a safe black, which is our iron oxide black. So for you guys that are relatively new, the safe black is always good to start with. And then a soft black is carbon-based. The safe black is the iron oxide. The soft black is carbon-based, but it's less carbon than the strong black. So the strong black is going to be the color with the most carbon. And so this is going to be really for those techs that are the artists that are experienced with carbon. And then the soft black again is less. So it goes the safe black, the soft black, and then the strong black. And so you can see that even the names, it describes itself. The safe black is the iron oxide, the soft black is carbon but less, and the strong black is full-fledged carbon. Okay. So I'm going to just do some drawdowns so you can see the colors. This set is just, we're keeping it for show, and this I have opened here, so you're going to see me going back and forth. So I'm just going to show you guys some drawdowns. The first one is the Purple Wish, and you'll get to see how gorgeous these colors are. And a lot of people might be afraid of eyeliner color, except for black or brown or dark brown, but these colors on the right eyes are absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Purple Wish, and I would absolutely do that. I actually have green liner on my eyes, and I love it. I love waking up with a little bit of color, and if I want to go over it with another color, I can, so it's not a big deal, but I love having color. Okay, so this one is Ocean Blue, and this is really gorgeous too. And I love the daring clients that would go for these colors. But look at how absolutely gorgeous these colors are. She did such a great job creating these. This is Aquamarine. So actually my liner is kind of like this. It might be a little bit more green, but I actually mixed a blue and a green when I did my liner. I have green eyes, hazel eyes, so I actually did that on the wrong piece of paper, but I'll keep it there, you can see it. That is the Aquamarine. This one is Green Paradise. And you can just imagine on the right eye what this would look like. I would imagine Christine plays with these colors and even uses 2 sometimes on some people, depending on the technique that she's doing. This was the Green Paradise. And again, we added the shading solution in there in case you want to lighten the pigment load a little bit. You can see that the colors are very dense because the pigment load in Perma Blend is really high. And then also the orange is in there in case you want to warm up some of the darker colors, the blacks and the browns. This is the Soft Effect Brown. Just a real solid beautiful, almost like a green brown, just really pretty. This is called Pretty Brown, appropriately. And you can see we're going to be getting a little darker as we go along on the browns. Again, just a gorgeous, deep, beautiful color for any technique, really. And this is the rich brown, and I'll put them next to each other so you can see them in comparison. Look at that. Oof. That's beautiful. That would be a really nice eyelash enhancer too. So here are the three browns together. See if we can get a shot of that. So the lightest, the mid, and then the darkest. Just beautiful. Okay, here's our safe black. Again, this is our iron oxide. So this is just iron oxide block. And it's still nice and deep. The color is still very black. The mass tone, you can see, is still pretty black even though it's iron oxide. This is soft black, and this is our carbon, but less spaced carbon than the next one. Again, you can see that it's a bit darker than the iron oxide. And then the strong black, and the strong black has the most carbon in it, so it's going to be the blackest. And you can see the difference right there. So those are Kristina's colors, her eyeliner colors, and she did a great job. We're really excited to have this collaboration with her. And if you guys have any questions, you can ask them here, or you can email me at manager@permablend.com, and we're happy to answer any questions. Kristina's also going to do a video, and she's going to explain it a little bit more in depth, but I know you guys are going to really love this line and enjoy it, and I would love to hear your feedback. Thanks so much for watching.